What's up, guys? This is Jeff from Mobile Home Dreamin'. Today I'm going to make a short video about referral fees and what they are and how you can make some easy money at home by just sending us a few deals. As always, like the video, share it with friends, and visit us at mobilehomedreamin.com. All right, so what is a referral fee? So basically, all you got to do is if you know somebody who needs to sell their mobile home, you just call us, okay? And if we end up buying it, we pay sometimes anywhere from $500 to $1,000, depending on the deal. And that's it. There's nothing else. So if you have a friend or you live in a mobile home park and you see your neighbor, they say, I need to sell my home, I'm moving, I have a vacant home, I inherited a home, whatever it may be, you got a mobile home that's sitting empty, call us. If we buy it, we'll pay you $1,000. All right?